What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, our problem is how to recover deleted photos and videos and chats on Snapchat. So this is a pretty easy way you can follow. Head over to your Snapchat application, and once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and head over to your profile by tapping the Bitmoji on the top left corner. From here, go to the gear icon on the top right. Here, scroll to the bottom and you will find the option of My Data in Account Actions section. Go to My Data. This might take a while to load, so keep patience. Once you're there, you can just select any data you want, like your user information, your chat history, your support history, everything, memories and other media, and tap on Next. And then select for the time specific date range from which you want to your data, and once you are done, tap on Submit, and they are currently creating a copy of your data and they will just update you to download it. Once you download it, you will get a exe file, and then just you can see it from there. There will be all of your photos, videos, everything. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.